Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup NAS data with Synology Hyper Backup step by step clearly. Open Synology Hyper Backup on your Synology NAS. Click on the plus create button to start a new backup task. Choose data backup task from the list of available options. Select your backup destination. This could be a local folder, an external USB drive, or a cloud service. If you're backing up to a remote server, select Remote NAS Device and enter the necessary connection details. Click Next to proceed to the backup source selection. Choose the shared folders and applications you want to back up. Use the checkbox to easily select or deselect the options. Once you've made your selections, click Next to continue. Now, configure the backup settings according to your needs. You can schedule the backup to run automatically or set it for manual execution. Decide if you want to enable backup rotation to manage older versions of your files. Click Next to review your settings before proceeding. Check the summary of your backup task for accuracy. If everything looks good, click on Apply to save the task. You may want to run a test backup to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Once the backup task is created, navigate to the task list to monitor its progress. If you encounter any errors or issues, consult the logs available in the Hyper Backup interface. To access your backed up data, simply use the Hyper Backup Explorer. From here, you can restore files or folders as needed. Make sure to regularly verify the integrity of your backups for peace of mind. That's how to effectively backup your NAS data using Synology Hyper Backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.